Hi everyone, this is Professor Sanchez, and the goal of this video is to show you how to sign up for an appointment with me via Zoom. So you see I'm here on the home page of a course. What you do is go over here to Course Calendar, View Course Calendar, and click on that. That will bring you to this calendar. If you want to make an appointment with me, you can click Find Appointment here, choose your course, and then you'll see in green, these are all the available appointments that you could sign up for. So if you want to sign up for this appointment, you click on it. You can write any comments you want here, and then you would click reserve. At that point, this appointment is saved for you. I will get an email notifying me that you've signed up for that appointment, and we will meet at the appointed time via this Zoom link here. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. And I hope this works well for you, for us to meet together. If you want to ask a question, get some help, go over an assignment, or just chat about the course. All right, have a good one.